today. I'm gonna give y'all a quick walk through the store so y'all can see everything that they have in inventory, and it's fire. Hey, it's really fire. Why is my favorite item? Well, first, we can go here. This is item number one. I like this a lot. It's like retro, super vintage, and just like futuristic. This is $125, which isn't horrible, but it's my number one item in the store. Number two item in the store, let's go find it together. I haven't even looked at no shoes at all. I can't even do the whole store. I gotta do this wall because this what it has multiple walls in general. Okay, we have a shoe over here to show y'all the shoe that I like the most. I mean, I kind of want this shoe for a minute. This ain't it, but this is kind of it. It's a shoe like this, but I like them. These are hard. Okay, I just broke my own rules again. These are definitely hard. Ooh, and these might be my actual favorite shoe in the store. These right here. I don't know what these are, but these are tough. And I've never seen them before. My trusted camera operator said they're the Jordan Bears. Jordan Bears.
Dorn Becker.
Jordan Becker.
Right.
Dorn Becker. Dorn Becker. These are the, I don't know everything. I just like how they look. These are the Dorn Becker 5s. And from my trusty handy dandy camera operator, he told me that, okay, so I was wrong again. Just a quick edit. These are customized from children that are suffering, honestly, that are in hospitals. And they allow children to customize their own shoe. And you can see them right here. These are just one pair. Oh, look at that macaroni. That's hard. Like I said, these are sitting at $300. And in the future, I'm definitely going to get them. So, yeah. Some other pair of shoes. These are hard. Definitely going to try to get these in the future. They're sitting at, they don't have the price on the bottom, but I'm pretty sure if I scan my trusty dusty camera operator's phone, they'll put my password in there, put his in there. They are sitting at $300. Isn't horrible. Actually not horrible at all, because the way I buy shoes, I don't want to buy shoes that much, but I buy them, I beat them. So these are some Dorn Becker 5s, and this would be a pickup that I actually would get. Alright, I'm gonna find something else, my third favorite thing in the store, and I'll be right back. When you beat a pair of shoes down, you ultimately wear them a lot of times, and you just wear them down. That's literally all what beat means, but I want to give you all that definition, just in case you didn't know. Time. But these are hard. This is definitely something that I would wear. Ooh, with the Justin Bieber Drew in the back. Okay, that's lit. Okay, so this is a really cool design. I like it because it's just like, it's retro. It's sitting at $110. And then shout out to Justin Bieber because this is his brand. So yeah. They got the purple, they got the blue, they got the off, no, this is like peach. Ooh. No, that's not Justin Bieber. Somebody I'm gonna go back there. We're gonna stay where we at. probably like 5 things, but it's all good because we had a good day, we had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have time, check out this store because it actually is fire. Yeah, holy fire. Wagwan, good people. Today we are at Customs. Where we at? Sneaker Supplies?
Centrl Supply.
Centrl Supply?